to the Priceless Pearl Life Kitchen with me, Katrina. Today it is a cast iron steak recipe. You already know it's going to be good, so just keep watching. My seasoning of choice is the Weber Chicago steak seasoning. My steaks have been marinating for about 36 hours. And as always, here on the Johnson Ranch, we always start off with peppers and onions. So my cast iron skillet is placed on medium-high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. And when I see that smoke, it means it's now time to put my steaks in the pan. I added about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to my pan, and I am cooking each steak about 3 to 4 minutes per side. So these are my first 2 steaks that I've seared in my cast iron. Now on to steak number 3 and 4. So comment below and let me know, how do you like your steak? I, of course, like it well done, but definitely not burnt. You can smell this steak all the way from my house to yours. And I'm creating just the perfect sear. And then I'm going to finish my steak off in the oven. So in the oven at 450 degrees for 10 minutes. And as always, my full recipe will be in the description box below. And to all of my loyal subscribers, you know what I say, one big hug from me to you. Thank you so much for coming back week after week to see what I'm doing here at the Johnson Ranch. And to all of my new subscribers, thank you so much for hitting that subscription button, hitting that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload of the Priceless Pearl Life. Oh, we've got to come in a little closer. Do you see this well-done steak seared on the stove and finished in the oven? So now I'm just going to add a few pats of butter and finish up my onions and peppers. Now, usually I do this beforehand, but I was busy on a phone call. But no worries, it's all going to come together perfectly in the end. So today I'm going to pair my steak with a kale and Brussels sprout salad with sesame seeds and wonton strips. So if you're new here, welcome to the channel. And let me introduce myself to you. I am Katrina. I'm a sister, a daughter, a friend, a servant, and a pastor. On my channel, I share my lifestyle, which include all things home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, shopping hauls, and a great tablescape. I love singing, and oh yes, I talk Tar Heel basketball. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel right now. Hit that subscription and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. Make sure you join me for another great video. Videos are posted on Tuesday and Friday, 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I would love for you to follow me on my other social media, at Twitter, at Pastor J, the AKA, and on Facebook, Priceless Pearl Life. And let's not forget about Instagram. It's simply Katrina Johnson. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you in my next video.